Hello everyone, once again it is the Emerging Tech Educator, and in this particular video I'm going to talk about Unity. Now, a lot of times people may be intimidated by Unity. I certainly was when I first thought about learning it, and part of that was just because there seemed to be so many different directions in terms of how you could learn it. It's possible to learn via books, via online courses, but all of these things cost money. And what I've been very impressed with in terms of my journey in Unity, again, I've earned 3 badges: Unity Essentials, Unity Junior Programmer, and Unity VR Development. And I will talk about each of these pathways in subsequent videos. But for now, I just want to emphasize the fact that to get to the Unity pathways, you go to learn.unity.com/pathways, and it's 100% free. And again, as an instructional designer, I have to say that the instructional design is extremely well done. It's kind of bite-sized, chunked content with helpful videos. And again, it's a real sense of accomplishment when you are able to complete tasks in these pathways that are very reminiscent of things that you would be doing in real life with these skills. So again, as I mentioned, this is sort of the first video about learning Unity, and again, my recommendation is to use Unity pathways. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will be back with subsequent ones shortly. Thank you.